In this video, I'll show you how to add curved text in Canva. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Go to Canva and open up the project where you want to add curved text to. Once you're in the project, go ahead and click on text right here on the left, and you can select either a title, a subtitle, or a heading. In this case, I want to create a title. Type in your text and you can make it smaller or bigger depending on what you want to do with your text. You can also change the font. You're going to see all the fonts options right here at the top. You can also change the size of the text and you can also change the color. Once you have your text ready, what you're going to do is click on effects at the top and you're going to scroll down just a little bit until you see shape, and then you're going to click on curve. After you selected curve, you can go ahead and adjust it by moving this progress bar at the bottom. If you want an upward curve, you're going to slide it to the left. If you want a downward curve, you're going to slide it to the right. Once you're happy with your text, you can move it around and position it wherever it is that you want it on your design. And that's it. Hope that helps.